Hey guys, I'm back with the next video and I brought a beautiful question. Quite lengthy but easy. Let's start with the question. So, four charges each equal to capital Q. Four charges each equal to capital Q are placed at the four corners of a square, and a charge small q is placed at the center of the square. If the system is in equilibrium, the main word here is equilibrium, then the value of q is, we need to find the value of small q, that is the charge placed at the center, right? How can we find this? Let's see the diagram first. So that is a cube. Let me increase my font size a bit. Right. So that is a cube, absolute cube. And a charge q is placed here. Here, here, here. So capital Q is placed here, 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 here. Now he's asking a small q also placed. I'm sorry, I forgot it. That's the main part of the question. So we need to find charge by force is 0. Then we need to find small. Let's see. I'll better mark it as numbers. What color I should choose? Yeah. Okay. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4. So net force acted by all the four charges first we need to find, right? Then let's do it. Charge 3 applies some force on charge 2. Suppose that should be F. And charge 1 applies the same force on charge 2. That is also F. Charge 4 applies some charge, that is equal to kq square by root 2 r whole square. Why root 2 r? The length, the distance is this root 2 r. The diagonal of the square is root 2 r. So that's why we took kq square by root 2 r whole square. Now we can get the net charge acted by all the four charges at the corner. A small mistake I have done. This is not small q, this is capital Q. Let me change it. Okay, right. So now the net force will be, according to vector sum, this force and this force are at 90 degrees, then we get root 2f. Remember this? No need to remember, but if you know the vectors very well, then you can calculate. That is root over f square plus 2 f1 f2 cos theta. Cos theta is 90, so cos 90 is 0, so you get root 2f. That's it. I'm not going to do that here. So this root 2f plus this force, that is kq square by 2r square. So what is this f? F is equal to kq square by r square, absolutely. K capital Q square by r square plus kq square by 2r square. Now the net force you will get by solving this. So here we can see the common kq square by r square. Take a common, kq square by r square is common. So root 2 plus 1 by 2. Now the net force will be equal to, this. Let me mark it with a color. This is the net force by all the four charges acted on the Q, on the square. Now this force need to be cancelled, right? Then only we get in equilibrium, because in equilibrium F net will be 0. So equal and opposite force need to be applied by the small q by the small q in opposite direction so that f net will be 0. In that way we get the answer. Let us see, let's find it out. Kq square, I'll change the color in a second, just give me a second. Yeah, kq square by r square root 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to k small q capital Q by, what is r here, root 2 r by 2 whole square, because total diagonal length is root 2 r, the small q is placed exactly at the middle, that means by 2. That's why we get that, we get like this. Now here we can cancel some items, I think. Yeah, k cancelled, q cancelled, r next one will cancel, right? Next step, so q by r square q by r square root 2 plus 1 by 2, then we get 4 q by 2r square. By simplifying this, 2 cancels, then r square here we can cancel out. Now what is left with us? Here we have 2, we'll send it this side, so then our q becomes small q is equal to q by 2 1 by 2. We are just one step away. Q is equal to q by 2, so now 2 root 2 by 1 by 2, so this comes here, so 2 into 2 it will become q by 4 2 plus 1 minus, why this minus? You know why this minus? This minus is due to the opposite direction. This is our answer. I'm sorry for my bad handwriting because I have no sophisticated tools to do. So just I could calculate, I could do it, that's it. Thank you very much, thank you for watching it. Please do subscribe my channel. I'll be keep posting few more questions. That's it. So for confirmation also I'll show you the answer. This is the answer, and we got the same. So did you understand why we wrote minus q? Minus is because it is opposite, because this is in this. Let me show you, give me a second. Yep, so this is there now, this one, this is exactly towards this side, towards this side. Now we want net to be 0, then we are applying opposite force. When we apply opposite force, definitely it becomes minus f, right? That is why we got minus q. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe once again.